Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be sharing with you my experience with Gousto. So if you're interested to see how I got on, then just continue to watch. That's what I like about you. So dangerous, I get this rush. So hi guys, if you're new here, welcome. My name is Juliet and I do 3 videos a week on all sorts. So if you do like this video, there is a little subscribe button down there in red somewhere. I would love for you to click that and stick around. It's completely free and entirely up to you. But without further ado, let's get straight into today's video. So I actually decided to order Gousto myself. I had a code from my friend and I ordered my box. It's the first one I've ever done before and I really wanted to share my experience with you as a paying customer. I have taken you with me throughout a week of cooking Gousto meals, showing you what the meals look like, and then right at the end I will tell you what I think about it. But I really hope you enjoy the video. Let's get started. So I did get Gousto this week and I had it because I had a code to get 50% off. So that's what I did and I'll show you what's in the box. So I got 4 meals for 2 people and it came to £17.50, which I thought was really good. I've never had Gousto before. I'm really excited. So these are what looks like my recipe cards. So I picked sweet and sticky Chinese pork with rice, smoky and sweet barbecue chicken fillets, smoked fish gratin, spring onion mash and garlicky peas, and finally crispy chili beef and coriander noodles. I think that's just like a little booklet about Gousto. Say hello to our new eco chill box. Say goodbye to 74.5 tons of plastic. So that's good. This is clever. Ah, that's clever. So it's basically a cardboard cool box. So you get delivered with an ice pack inside so that it keeps it cool if like it's outside. And then I've got all my frozen section in there, or cold section. Then what is in here? My garlic, little wraps. This. Bits and bobs for the recipes 1549, so I've all got numbers on. I got a free Gousto spoon. That's cool.
That's cool. That's quite like, that's like I'm trying to make.
That's that. So what I'm going to try and do is I'm just going to get the box. I'm going to just separate it into the 4 meals, and I'm going to use my trusty bamboo lidded things, and then try and organise it out, and then I will cook these 4 meals this week and I'll try and film each one so I can show you exactly what it's like and my thoughts on it. Really, I bought it all myself, so just thought I would do it. But yeah, that's everything in there. I'm just going to push it forward so you can kind of have a look like that, and yeah, let me go and organise it all. Okay, so I've just sectioned everything out now. So this is, look at my free spoon, so cute. So this is the first meal, but that I think I'm going to cook tonight. And then this is the pork ingredients. This is the crispy chili one. And then this is the smoked fish gratin. So I'm just going to like section these off into my fridge boxes and then cook this one tonight. Okay, so this is everything out of the box now for tonight's menu. How cute are these that come in a little bag? So these are like the, yeah, these are like the dried paprika, like the herbs, and the little sauces, the little cheese. So cute. Okay, let's get this cooked. So this is it, done. Now I did probably heat these up a little bit too much and they're going to be crunchy, but these are them. So these are the smoky, sticky barbecue smoky fajitas, and you've got like the chicken and peppers and onions, and then cheese and a drizzle of yogurt and spring onion on the top, and I think that looks incredible. Can't wait to try it. And I've got loads of salsa and cheese left over. So yeah, yum yum. So tonight we have crispy chili beef and coriander noodles. So in box number 2, this is what we have. So I'm guessing this is the beef. We paid a little bit extra to have the lean beef, which I hope it is because I paid extra for it, so let's hope it is.
And then, yeah, you get everything in here. That's a little bit of a sorry state of a spring onion, but you know, got the noodle nests. The one thing I love about this as well, actually, is looking at all these ingredients. It's Slimming World friendly, as long as this is low-fat beef mince. And it doesn't say, so I hope they've not given me full-fat mince, because I will cry. But yeah, plate day number 2. I will show you what it looks like when it's cooked now. Okay, so this is the crispy chili beef and coriander noodles, and oh my gosh, it smells incredible and it tastes really hot. I've just licked the spoon and the chili is really overpowering it, but it's so yummy, like it's so tasty. And that is Matt's, and that is my smaller portion. But they are decent portions, like these are deep bowls. Yeah, I just thought I'd show you because I'm really, really impressed with that. I mean, I think that's pretty good going. Just call me Nigella. So, what is cooking tonight, Gousto? Well, tonight we have sweet and sticky Chinese pork with rice. Now, quite concerned about this one because the rice is like proper rice, and I'm really crap at cooking rice. But I'm really looking forward to trying this one. So this is, let's get out the light so that's not annoying. So this one takes 20 minutes, and these are the ingredients in there. It says this one is 2 of your 5 a day, and let's have a look there, 606 calories per person. So they're relatively, I mean, some of them are really good meals, like calories wise. So yeah, sweet and sticky Chinese pork with rice. Let's get cracking on this one, and I'll show you how this one turns out. So this one I've got my rice, got my mange tout, or mange tout, as we like to say around here. Pepper. I mean, I have to say, everything they send out is so beautiful and fresh. Can't knock them on that. And everything comes really nice. You get your little bit of sesame seeds. Got my 5 spice. Look at me, I'm 5 spice. So don't see that Michael McIntyre sketch. Rice vinegar. Yeah, so I'm going to give it a bash. Be back in a moment with this. Let's hope mine looks like this. Should we do a nice fancy fade? There we go. Day number 3. I forgot what it is again. Hold on. I keep doing this. Sweet and sticky Chinese pork with rice. Again, oh my gosh, guys, it just smells so good. This one was a little harder because I had to cook the rice from scratch, and I'm a boil in the bag kind of girl. I don't normally do rice from scratch, but it's turned out perfect and I'm so happy. I've put more of the chilies on Matt's than mine because I'm a bit of a wuss when it comes to heat. Like, I'm the kind of girl that orders a korma from the Balti. But yeah, I'm really, really impressed with this. Again, how nice does it smell? Smells good, doesn't it?
Yeah, you're not going to get the full effect on camera, are you?
No, we tried to take a good picture, but I think it does look better on my camera, to be fair. You know. But yeah, day number, you could ignore the kitchen. Do you know what? I'm not even going to apologise anymore, because I think this is what it looks like all the time. So yeah, day number, not day number 4, day number 3. Sweet and sticky Chinese pork with rice. Okay, so it is final night of Gousto. It is Friday evening, so tonight we are going to have a fish recipe. Ignore the kitchen. I say this every time I come on here. But yeah, so we are going to have a fish dish. Fish Fridays. Let me go and grab it out the fridge and I'll show you which one it is. So tonight, Matthew, we have smoked fish gratin, spring onion mash and garlicky peas. I mean, anyway, so this is only 500, it's going to focus, 503 calories, which is really good because the fish and chips I normally make, which is like the battered one, is normally a bit more than that, so that's good. And yeah, let's get cracking on this one. See, this is one thing that's loving about Gousto. I've never made a roux sauce from scratch before, and this is a mustard bechamel sauce. I don't know, but it tastes amazing and looks so good. I'm so proud of myself. I mean, food ASMR right there. So this is the final night of our fish and chips, which is, oh my god, I forgot again. What is the matter with me? Some kind of fish. I think it's bass fish. Smoked fish, which is, does it say on here? Smoked bassa fillets, is that how you say it? So smoked fish with smoked fish gratin, spring onion mash and garlicky peas. I mean, I'm not trying to blow my own trumpet there, but I think that looks pretty spot on. Apart from in the picture, it's not peas, and it is peas on ours. But yeah, I'm well impressed with that. Do you think?
Yeah, I'll see how it tastes.
Such a critic. Look at my nice meal here. Anyway, yeah, we're going to take a photo and we'll eat it and we'll let you know our thoughts on Gousto this week. Okay, so just finished our final Gousto meal for the week, and I wanted to give my honest opinion. And my honest opinion is I loved it. I've tried food subscription boxes before of like ready meals, Muscle Food being one when they sent me theirs, which was amazing. But I actually really love to cook, and one thing that I've just really enjoyed this week is like making things and then being like, oh, what do you think? What do you think, Matt? Because I really love to cook. My kitchen is a bit of a disaster at the moment, as you've seen. So I think when the kitchen's done, I'll probably continue it. We've ordered it for next week as well. And what I wanted to tell you is just about their referral scheme. So I'm going to leave my code below, which gets you 50% off. And the reasons it's amazing is because if you use that code, you get 50% off your first box and then 30% off for the rest of the month. But then I get credit for you using that code. So it's completely transparent. They haven't paid for this video. I've bought it myself out of my money. But I just want to tell you about the cost of it, because we had, so it's $34.99 for 4 meals for 2 people. No, sorry, for 4 nights for 2 people, so 8 meals, which I probably wouldn't pay. But we had the 50% off code from my friend, so we paid £17.50 for our first week. And then the next week we paid £24.50. And then my other friend bought through my code I think it was earlier on this week. So next week my box is going to cost me £5.50 because my friend has used my code. So I just think it's a really great way of trying it, because if you get that money off, you then just spread your code around your friends and then they can then share the code and then you get your box for cheaper. So I just think it's a really good way of doing it. So by no means do you have to use that code below. Like I say, I'm just leaving it there because I think 50% off to try it is great, because it means you get your first box at £17.50. If you have the same thing as me, which was 4 nights for 2 adults. Another thing I really love about it is the portion control. I, as you know, have had a very up and down time with my weight, and whilst it isn't advertised as being like a healthy option or a low calorie option, all the food is really fresh and all reasonably like reasonable calories, and I love that it tells you how many calories are in it as well, and it's all proportioned. So normally I would probably eat so much more, but I've been doing them to the portion that they send out and found that I haven't actually been eating everything on my plate. And Matt is loving that it's controlling his portion sizes as well. But also I have been doing calorie counting, like making sure I'm in a calorie deficit. So it works really well, because when you cook fresh, it's so difficult to know how many calories are in it. Whereas this, it tells you how many calories are per portion. And I really love that about it. So I love that it's fresh. I love that you can see how many calories in it, and the variety is great. So I didn't realise this until I started ordering my 2nd and 3rd weeks, but the recipes change. So there's like my favourite ones are on there that I've had, but they also change as well. So I'm definitely going to stick with it. I will let you know if it gets boring at any point or what happens. And the other good thing about it, you can pause your membership as well. So like if it gets to a week where we haven't got any credit or there's no offer on to get 30% off, then you can pause it if you don't want to pay the full $34.99, which I also love. But yeah, I'm really enjoying it and I thought I'd share my experience. I think it's amazing. I would highly recommend it if you love cooking and like to try new things as well. So yeah, I will leave everything linked below. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and I would love for you to subscribe and stick around. And until next time guys, take care. Bye.